Creating an Amazon FBA Wholesale account involves several key steps. Here's a concise guide. Create an Amazon Seller account. Go to the Amazon Seller Central website. Click Sign Up and follow the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide your business name, address, contact information, and tax identification number. Choose a selling plan. Decide between the individual or professional selling plans. For wholesale, the professional plan is typically better as it offers more features for a monthly fee. Set up your seller profile. Complete your seller profile with accurate business information, including your logo, business description, and policies. Register for Amazon FBA. In Seller Central, navigate to Settings and select Fulfillment by Amazon. Follow the steps to enroll in the FBA program, agreeing to the terms and conditions. Source wholesale products. Find reliable wholesale suppliers. Use platforms like Alibaba, Saleho, and local distributors. Obtain the necessary documentation, such as invoices and business licenses, to verify the authenticity and legality of your products. List products on Amazon. Create product listings for your wholesale items. Include detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and relevant keywords. Ship inventory to Amazon. Create a shipment plan in Seller Central. Prepare your products according to Amazon's packaging and labeling guidelines. Send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers.